Hello friends, today I'm diving into a scene from the film Atonement, a masterpiece cinematography that feels more like a living painting than a movie. The shot I'm painting today features a young Briony Tallis. She is standing at the edge of floral tunnel, caught in this hazy golden English summer of 1935. Visually, this film is famous for its soft focus look. We will use the disc color from Grandma's Garden. To get that dreamlike glow on camera, the cinematographer actually put Christian Dior silk stocking over the lens, and that is one very interesting thing I learned watching this movie. So I have this shot very long time, but I never watched the movie. So I watched the movie just now, 5 minutes ago, and I'm still overwhelmed. So I'm painting. In my painting, I want to capture the exact feeling, the tension between the lush green beauty of the garden and the heavy tragic secret Briony is about to create. We're working with frame within a frame composition, using the shadows of channel to pull all the focus onto her white dress. So let's see what we will create. So this is one sketchbook, 190 GMS, 100% acid free, heavyweight backing. So that, but I turn this, it is from Norway, gel Bratten, but the pages are pretty thick, and I think that will be nice for watercolor. So I put some sticky tape around here, and let's begin. First I want to put a lot of water to get this dreamy like. And then I want to use a yellow from this side, because here is the most light which is coming, and in the end of the tunnel is also a lot of yellow summer light. And then I want to add light green on this part of my painting. So here, because all of this is foliage, it is like one channel from flowers. Then darker green is go on this side. The movie is really heartbreaking. If you didn't watch, I don't want to spoil it, but it is about. Now I want to add a more green, just here and there. So maybe here, like this, on this trellis, on this tunnel. So now her hair. So her hair is almost white on the top, but it is more yellow on bottom. And watching this movie, I found two more of the screenshots I will really love to paint because they are so beautiful and dreamy, and I will probably paint them also. Pale neck, and we will make it like with super white and a little bit of red, just a drop, to get this pinky feeling, and lots of water. For the neck and the arms. And then maybe a little bit of sepia, just where the shadows are. So I don't know, I think this paper is really for maybe mixed media or something, not for watercolors, but never mind, we will dry this. And we will mask everything that with the more foliage. And I think that is it. So now the greens. This dark green, and mix it with this brown, where everything needs to be really dark. So we're making our leaves. And now we need to add some leaves here in this part. Now we want a little bit of this purple, fresh water here, just around the neckline. Like this. And then light green all around this sunny side. So I mix a little bit of this. I mix a little bit of violet and brown because I want to show that here are also some branches around, not just foliage. So here you go. Now we drying again, and then we adding white flowers, which represent innocence. And white we will add with these gouache colors. And I think our painting is over. And I'm really happy that I tried this paper finally, because I'm not very satisfied with it. And I don't know, should we take away this? So that is that. I hope you like it. And we have 2 more for future days. So see you in 3 days. Bye.